Pixel Edit has some nice options for dealing with color. So let's go ahead and check out those now. So we can click here on the top box, and that's our primary color. And we have our color selection box here as normal. We have our slider here. Okay. Now, an additional option is this toggle color variations, which is really nice. So we can move this around, and as you can see, we have variations sorted by shading, lightness, saturation, and hue. So that's a really useful tool. Once we pick a color, we can click on OK. If we'd like to add that color to the palette, we can simply click on the plus button here, and there it is. And within the palette, we can move these around really wherever we want. So let's say I wanted to take this blue here, and let me duplicate that a few times. Oh, it showed up over here, so that's fine. Let me duplicate that over there. Okay, and I'll move this here. Okay, and now let's say I want to go from this blue to, let me take this yellow and move it here. Okay, so when I primary click, you see this large box around the color. That means it's in the primary location over here to the left. When I hold down Shift and click, you see a smaller box, and that's now the secondary color. Okay, and when I click this button here, this makes a gradient between the foreground and the background. So let me go ahead and click that, and you'll see what happened here. So if that's an effect you're looking for, that's a nice option there. And as I showed you before, you can pretty much drag these out wherever you want. You can also click on color and sort the palette by hue. You can sort by saturation and lightness as well. If you did create some duplicates, let me go ahead and do that now. Let's say I've created several duplicates throughout the palette. You can click on color and delete those duplicates here, and they will be removed. Once you have your palette arranged in the way that you like, you can also click on color and export the palette as an image to be used in any application that you like or as you please. There's also a nice set of presets here. So for example, let's say you wanted to go with old Nintendo style color set for your game. You can click here and the palette changes here. That's it for colors. Let's go ahead and move on to the next video and make some tile sets.